Subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to never miss an update from Kautilya's Fincast.
Welcome to Kautilya's Fincast for 11th to 28th July 2021. Let's begin with the corporate news. Video streaming platform YouTube has signed a definitive agreement to acquire 2-year-old startup SimSim, marking its foray in the highly contested social commerce sector in India. Nokia won its first 5G radio contracts in China, securing a 10% share in one of China Mobile's 3 new 5G contracts, while Ericsson got 9.6% of another contract. Mahindra & Mahindra announced proactive inspection and replacement of diesel engines in some of its vehicles manufactured at Nashik factory for suspicion of premature wear of engine parts due to contaminated fuel that was received in the factory. Reliance Retail Ventures Limited is acquiring a majority stake in a local search company, Just Dial, for 3,497 crore rupees. It will hold 40.95% stake in the company and would make an open offer to acquire up to 26% in accordance with takeover regulations set by market regulator SEBI. India's central bank has barred MasterCard indefinitely from issuing new debit or credit cards to the domestic customers. The RBI has accused the company of violating data storage laws. Adani Airport Holdings Limited, a wholly owned unit of Adani Enterprises Limited, took over the management control of Mumbai International Airport Limited from the GVK Group. Now let's begin with the market news. SEBI has said that a valuation report is mandatory before a company raises capital via preferred allotment of shares to ensure all shareholders are treated equally, especially if such a preferential allotment entails an open offer due to change in control and ownership. Ethereum has quit the cryptocurrency industry. Anthony D. Lorio, who helped build the popular blockchain platform in 2018, has announced his departure from the crypto ecosystem, adding that he wants to solve large problems. 197 Communications Limited, the owner of Paytm Payments app, sought the market regulator's approval for its 16,600 crore rupees IPO that is poised to become the country's biggest initial share sale. Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is working on the biggest public share sale in the country, booked a record stock market profit of over 10,000 crore rupees in the April-June period. Shares of Infosys hit a fresh record high of 1,597.3 rupees, up 1.3% on the BSE on 15th July, after the IT major delivered another handsome set of numbers for the quarter ended June. The National Stock Exchange on 12th June announced the inclusion of Astral and Strides Pharma Science in the futures and options segment with effect from 30th July 2021. Shares of realty companies surged on 12th July with the S&P BSE Realty Index hitting a 10-year high, as construction activities seem likely to pick pace with states easing lockdown curbs amid a steady fall in the COVID cases. Let's begin with the economic news. The GDP growth forecast for the sub-region in India 2021 has been downgraded from about 9.5% in ADO 2021 to 8.9%, but upgraded for 2022 from 6.6% to 7%. India's economy is expected to see a swift recovery from impact of second wave of COVID-19, as lockdowns were largely designed to limit social gatherings and did not affect economic activities much. S&P Global Ratings affirmed its lowest investment grade sovereign ratings for India with stable outlook, holding that the country's recovery will gain pace through the second half of the fiscal years 2021 to 2022. The fundamentals of economy remain strong as gradual scaling back of lockdowns along with astute support of Atmanirbhar Bharat mission placed economy firmly on the path of recovery from second half of financial year 2020-21. The continued macroeconomic stability and resilience in economic recovery in the recent months focus on infrastructure-led economic growth and multi-sectoral opportunities for investors are some of the key highlights shared.